Hello, my name is Sabrina Anderson and I'm the Education Specialist with Hexagon Geospatial. Today I'm going to be showing you the interface of our new map exchange and also how to add and manage users. If you haven't already, you would go to the map exchange website and you would click register. On this page you'll put in your credentials and then you'll click submit, and then afterwards you'll receive an email that looks similar to this that will allow you to log into your new account. Click on the link at the bottom of the page and it will take you to your sign-in page. Once you enter your username and your password, you'll sign in and be taken to the Hexagon Geospatial landing page. From here, you'll log into the map exchange. Currently, we're on the home of the map exchange. This is where you can come to see featured apps or search for apps by category or name. If I go to the top of the screen, I can search the catalog for particular apps, such as Feature Analyzer. Once inside of Feature Analyzer, I can see the categories that it belongs to, as well as the company that created it. Down here, you'll find a short description of what the app can do and its benefits. In the Policy and Support section, you can find more information. Under Support, you can find a discussion board from different users. Navigating back to the map exchange, we can explore what's in the shopping cart. Inside of the shopping cart, you would find apps that you are currently in the process of purchasing. Once you purchase an app, you can see it inside of the My Maps tab. Currently, I own Feature Analyzer. You can also come to the My Maps tab to launch your apps. You also have the option of ordering a Smart M.App education bundle. To do this, you'll contact your Hexagon Geospatial representative and they'll process the order for you. Once the order is complete, you'll receive an email that looks similar to this. Here you'll see the product code, the product name, as well as the quantity that I've ordered. As the account administrator, I can go to Manage and Users to add new users to my organization. Before you can assign them, they must first be created. So underneath More Actions, Add Users, I can create a user, I can invite a person by their email, or I can send someone a link to the registration page. Going into Create Users, if I click on the plus sign, I'll be allowed to add a first name, a last name, and an email address. If I wanted to add a group of people, I could create a spreadsheet and save it as a CSV file and click the Upload button, which would open my computer, help me find the file to add. If I wanted to add somebody by their email address, I could type in their email address, click on Send Invitation, and the screen will verify that my invitation was sent. I could also create a link that I could post or email to other users so they could find my account. If I go to Show Registration Page URL, I can copy to clipboard, and then I can post my link. The invited user will receive this email, which will allow them to click on the Activate button to register for your organization. Once a new user activates their account and creates a new password, they automatically become active underneath your Manage Users menu. Being active allows them to log into the Map Exchange. Once the user has access to Map Exchange, you can choose the roles that you would like them to have within your organization. As a user, they're able to use the apps that are assigned to them. You could also select Administrator. This would give the user the exact same privileges as a company administrator. If you do not want them to have that, then just select User. You can also select None, which would cause the user to lose access to your organization, but still allow them to log into Map Exchange. We will now move on to assigning our new user to the purchased apps that we currently own. If I go to Manage and Assign Maps to Users, I can see Feature Analyzer. This is the only app that I currently own. If I click the drop-down arrow and the plus sign, a list of people in my licensing group will show up. My newest user is Johnny Smith. If I click his name, then click Save, it will grant him access to Feature Analyzer. If for some reason I need to remove Johnny from having access to Feature Analyzer, I could click the red line and he will be removed. If I need to remove Johnny from my organization altogether, I'll go to Manage, then Users, and then uncheck the active box next to his name. Then you select Save, and he will no longer be able to log into Map Exchange. Underneath the Manage tab, you'll see Subscription, Account, and License. Under your subscriptions, you'll see subscriptions that you've paid for and can currently use. Underneath your account, you'll see more information about your account. Underneath License, you'll see all the licenses that you currently have access to from Hexagon Geospatial. This concludes the video of how to navigate through the new Map Exchange. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at sabrina.anderson@hexagon.com or contact your sales representative. Thank you.